Here I have an old lawnmower by Bolens. It won't start, it has difficulties, and I need to determine what is the issue, and I will start with trying. It won't, I tried already, but with recording I will just show that I won't do it. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to check the first gasoline, then oil, spark plug, and air filter. Here is gasoline, and it has some. Here is oil. I need to open this and check it out. It has oil, but looks a little old, but at least there is oil. And I will see that I replace this old oil, because I was told that it was not replaced for a long time, so I'm going to do that if I find oil. Next is air filter, and in order to access the filter I need to unscrew this screw here and see the filter. It is a little dirty, there is a lot of debris, so I will need to clean that all, and that will for sure help. Filter is made of sponge. I'll take this sponge out and clean it. I clean it with a rag and paper towel, and I will now wash it because it's not really dirty. Once I took the debris off, it is not bad. So I think this is good enough cleaning. I'll just wash it off around here where those little debris are and put it back in. Okay, I think it's clean enough. I'm gonna put it back together, and it is ready to go back on a lawnmower. Okay, air filter is good, and we need to check spark plug now. And spark plug is not as bad, a little dark, but I don't see any debris on it. It's hard to record it without blurry, but here I'll try to keep it still and see condition of it. I think I can clean it a little bit with either gasoline or brake cleaner, but I will not touch it to not mess with the gap. I put some gasoline in this container, and I'm going to soak this whole spark plug in and leave there for maybe 10-15 minutes, and I will clean it off. After 20 minutes it will dry a little bit, not necessary, and I think this is good condition. To replace oil, I'll use an old milk jar case and cut it out so I can catch the oil without spilling it. This is a little awkward, but it can be managed. Once oil is out, I'll put new one in. And a little bit. This much of oil is out. And once we are on the flat surface, I will fill it up about and measure it. And this can take a couple of times or 3 times to make sure that we do not overfill. It is on the bottom of the dipstick. I'm just gonna add a little bit more and a little bit. And after second fill, it is almost at the top of the graded area, so that's good. Okay, now we have enough gasoline. Spark plug is clean, air filter is clean, oil is replaced. I'm gonna try to start it. Okay. So it did work. Prime was an issue, but now it's like new after all this maintenance things, oil, air filter, and spark plug, and we can still use this. The owner can still use this lawnmower for a few times. I hope this will help somebody with same or similar lawnmower. If so, it will make me glad. If you will have questions or comments, be more than glad to answer them. Thank you for watching.